the skills gap begin and where is it headed? And so we did a deep dive into trying to answer and uncover this question. We found a study by John Cleese in 2018 where he cited two major forces that perpetuated this skills gap. And he was referring directly into the manufacturing sector. And what I'll do here is dig a little bit deeper and peel back the onion on what those two forces were. The first one is the thing that he coined the Silver Tsunami. What the Silver Tsunami meant was essentially the fact that experienced workers in manufacturing were retiring at a higher rate than new workers are entering the workspace. And what was happening is obviously you've got X number of people retiring every single year, every single week, every single day, but the folks entering this workforce in manufacturing especially, aren't getting added at the same rate that people are retiring. The second thing that he pointed out was that manufacturing is actually becoming increasingly more digital. And so while technology is meant to help, it also generates a demand for new skills and different types of skills that didn't exist before. And so when we go back to John Cleese's study, the two big factors here, one is that there's a higher rate of retirement versus people getting added to this workforce. And two, the existing workforce that we have, the types of skills that we need for these roles and for these jobs are actually shifting and changing. And so this is creating, again, what John Cleese is stating, this silver tsunami, which is basically we're going to see this big impact of this skills gap over the next generation, if not the next decade.